Welcome back to the shop. My name is Mark. This is the Malarkey Taylor channel. Today, we're going to finish what we started a couple weeks ago. We're going to go over to my dad's and check to see if the skid loader has oil pressure. So I got a gauge set. I'm going to grab some tools. We're going to throw them in the truck. We're going to run back over there and see if the gauge is wrong or if the engine is actually low on oil pressure. So let's get to it. Hey, Pop.
I started, but I didn't get
I brought my camera if that's all right.
Oh, well, I shouldn't have done what I did then.
No, that's okay.
I took everything out that I could see.
Well, you got started for sure.
Here,
Let's get to it.
let's see what you... I got a flashlight right there. Oh. All right. Did it come out?
It did. It worked. Ooh. It worked.
That's broken off, isn't it?
No, but it was only a thread and a half in.
Okay.
So now we got to match that up.
Smaller.
It's okay. It doesn't have to be real tight. It just has to.
Make sure it's not going to blow out.
Yeah. We'll just hook this gauge on here like this, and then we can watch it and make sure that it turns on, that it comes up when you start it. And then if it comes up and everything's good, then we'll want to drive it around, get it warm, and then make sure that it's still an issue.
Okay.
Try not to move it too much, though.
Try not to what?
Move it too much.
I'll hold her steady. Are you ready?
Yep, we're clear. Yeah, she's got about 50 psi. So it's got good oil pressure.
So, but for how long?
Well, it stayed up there for the whole time we were doing that. So the next thing is we got to tidy things up here a little bit and then run it.
And then what?
Well, we'll see if it goes down when after a couple minutes.
Will you leave that one hooked up?
Yep. Till while we're driving around, we'll just leave this hooked up till we see whether it's gonna come down.
Okay.
So we'll just hook this thing somewhere, and actually might even be able to run it in the cab here. Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, you should be good to back it out. Alright, we've got some marching orders. We're going to move some sand and knock down a couple weeds. Last time it took about like 5-10 minutes for this thing to show, for the buzzer to come back on. So if this thing keeps 40-50 psi when it gets hot, we should be good to go.
It's good to go.
All right, well, it didn't drop, so that's going to be our culprit. This guy here must have a bad diaphragm in it or something, I don't know. But the pressure on the engine's good, so that didn't drop at all. We were running it, so gotta find a new one of those. We're off to the races. Let's see if this works. We're back. We're back in the shop. As happens occasionally, I forget to film things and my battery died, and well, you know, stuff. My dad's around, I get working, I forget. But I did end up going to the store. I grabbed the oil pressure switch. We found out that the one that was in there and the one that I bought had the wrong thread, so it was just barely in. So I actually used an adapter from my kit to get the new one into the side of the motor. I've got to order a new adapter to go from NPT to BPT, which is British pipe thread and national pipe thread. But that's the only thing left over, is I got to replenish my kit here. But we're done. That was it. The engine is healthy. It was a sensor, and my dad is really happy that it is back in business. So that's it for now. That's it for today. That's actually it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping out to the shop. I hope to see you guys again next time. Stay safe.